Hey y'all, it's Sean here. I'm reviewing this three-piece set of baking pans. It comes with not only the baking pans in three different sizes, but they all have this silicone non-stick baking sheet, this mat here, and also the wire rack to cool. And I really like how stackable they are. Now, these are non-toxic, non-stick. I really love these. They fit so easily in my drawer. I was able to make cookies and the cleanup was so nice, y'all. So if you're looking for some really good baking sheets, I know this is hard, but it didn't get that like popping sound in the oven when I was baking, which I really enjoy because none of us like that, okay? And look how adorable they are. They're so nice. They clean up so easy. They cook really well. I've already tried them out. Love that they come with pretty much everything you need to get started baking you some cookies. Okay, so if you are on the market for some new baking sheets, these are really, really nice pans. So highly recommend.